Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're at the outskirts of Paphos and we're going exploring for a waterfall. So we followed the sat nav. There is a stream down here, look, and a path. So we're going to go down here and see if there's a waterfall at the end of this stream. It's raining. It's 15th of February. Well, it's a lovely park, whatever it is. I think it's down there. There's a couple with an umbrella heading in that direction. We'll cross the water at this little crossing point. There we are. Look out for the jaggedy rocks. Oh, here we are. There's the sign for the waterfall. Well, we are in the right place. How about that for a bit of exploring? Now, the reason we've come down here today, guys, is that it's been raining for a day or two. And it looks like we might get some running water, because we've been to quite a few waterfalls out here and some of them are dry. But as I say, it's been raining for a couple of days, but we have had some sunshine in between, guys, so don't let that put you off coming out of season. Isn't it beautiful round here? We've got lovely grass and these amazing flowers coming up. Oh wow, look at this valley. Wow, this is beautiful. Now mind the rocks, they could be quite slippery. They're a bit jaggedy. Oh, look at that valley. Wow. Look at this view.
That's where it comes.
Oh, that's a disappointment, it's not running. I was sure that we'd get some water running down the waterfall. There's a waterfall down here, guys. We've seen a picture of it. And it's supposed to go down, hit those rocks down below, and then continue down into the valley. I'll tell you what, I will walk around here, do a little video for you guys, see how wonderful this place is anyway, just in case the waterfall is not in there, but it looks like it is from the pictures. Lindsay and Janet has asked us to have a look at the waterfall, and we will be back in this area next month, and we should be getting some more rain in March and throughout February, so hopefully it'll be running. Well, we've got green grass. Beautiful park nevertheless. I want to go down to the end of the valley. So guys, we've asked some other tourists that have been down here. They can't find it. We believe it's the one on we've just shown you. It very rarely runs anyway. It ran last year, but before then it hadn't been flowing for 10 years. Right. I think it's going to be a little bit of a circular walk, or do you think we'll stop and have to go back? Let's have a look. It's a bit jaggedy. There. Let's go up here, shall we? Yeah, continue around, have a little walk up through these amazing plants. And I've got this plant in my garden, it grows everywhere. Apparently it's used for cooking.
No, it's got to come down from the mountains, isn't it? It's got to...
So what I think what we should do, guys, is head back anyway, and that's the road going back. There's the road coming here on the left. We'll stop there where that junction is on the way back, and we'll just make sure that the waterfall is not just beside that road. Don't think it is, doesn't look like it, but you never know, because I can see something over there. I don't think it is, guys. It's where we said, because we saw a sign earlier, didn't we, with waterfall this way, and that's where we are. So I don't think it's there, but nevertheless we will stop at the end of that road just to see the valley. There. Right, let's go around these jaggedy rocks. Okay. There we go. Over the spit. Beautiful area. Oh, let me put my hoodie on. That's it. Keep my head dry. Wow. So beautiful round here. Oh, do you think we should be going in that direction now? Could do, couldn't we? Hey?
That's where we come from.
Oh, is that where we come from? See, I'm lost already, ain't I? We might be able to see the sign again. There we are. So there's the village down there on our right, Prastio. Yeah, definitely that is the waterfall, guys. And there's a sign down there on the right. I'll point that out in a bit. And that's where the waterfall normally runs. There's a picture of it on the phone. And then you can see the curve, and you can see where the water hits that ledge. Well, let's go around here, shall we? And there's a sign, says waterfall as well. So 99.9% we've got the right place. I'm going to walk round, guys, towards where the waterfall is. I want to get a bit closer, really. If I walk in this direction, we'll probably get quite close to the waterfall. Right, down here. And of course the water's coming down from Troodos Mountains, and there's lots of snow up there at the moment. As I say, there's snow up in the mountains, and end of next month it'll all start melting. So maybe we might have a waterfall here. There it is, round here somewhere. Let's just go around a bit more. Oh, 1 minute, might be able to get a glimpse of it from this edge. Is this part of it? Let's have a look. Is this it, guys? Scooping round here. Could be, look, it's like a path leading to the edge of the cliff. Shall we take that path? Yeah, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Be careful, don't slip. And right next to the edge. See, I think it runs down here. Oh. Careful. You see? There. Oh, yes, it does. Oh, bit of vertigo going on. Ooh, be careful. I'm not going right to that edge. Wow, look at that natural bridge. Oh, I'm just going to go further down, guys. Just be really careful. This is definitely the waterfall, and I'm right in the middle of it, except there's no water. Just slippery mud and rocks. There, can you see? Oh, I'm a bit frightened. Careful, I'm going to hold on to some of these plants. There. Oh, careful. Oi, nearly. There, right on the edge. There. See that? That's where the water cascades down. And look at that. It looks like a natural bridge across the valley. It is amazing. Really beautiful. This is a fantastic place, guys, to come hiking. You can hike round this valley. Look. Can you see the road over there? You can either come this way and then carry on along the valley, or go to the road where that junction is, then come down and then walk along the valley. I think that's a better side to walk along. So there we are. I'm right on the edge of the waterfall. Let me see if I can get the camera. In fact, no, I'm not going to try and get the camera right at the edge. I'm going to go further down. Be daring, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on my bum. Just going to go on my bum. Be really careful. Really careful. And I will see if I can get the camera a little bit over the edge. Hold on to the plants. There. And we see that. There's as far as I'm going to go, guys. You could get to that edge there, but I'm not going to do that. The rocks are slippery. There. Right, let's get back. Ugh, not too bad getting back. There we are. Oh, bit slippery there. Up we go. I haven't got my hikey type boots on. Always wear appropriate shoes. Definitely not flip-flops. If you're coming down here in the summer. Oh, there we are. We're back up to safety anyway. I'm going to make my way back to the car. I'll give my shoes a little wipe. Right, here we are. There we go. I don't think it's going to be as green as this in the summer, guys. Nevertheless, definitely worth a hike up here. And as I say many a times, if you're here out of season and you've got a day like today where it's raining, a bit overcast, why not come exploring? Bit of hiking up Troodos Mountains. Outskirts of Paphos, or maybe Paphos itself. Lots of things to explore, guys. Look out for videos. Now I'm going to show you the sign for the waterfall, just in case you do come up here in the summer, or when there's no water running like today, except the little stream up the top. Go down here, shall we? There's the sign. There you go. Right, I'm back on the path. We should past the little stream. Oh, there it is. There we are. I can see the car there, and the path goes to a dead end. There's the valley down there, and it looks like some people have stopped right in the junction down there to look down the valley. So here's the road that I'm talking about, guys. Oops, there's a car coming. Let's just cross. I'll show you the valley. I want to show you the signs, guys, so you can locate this place. Right, so there's the village and the old road. It says Prastio or Prastio. There we are, there's the signs. Up to Troodos 42 kilometres, Paphos 44, Limassol, and there's that beautiful valley there. Now let's have a look, see what's the best place to hike. We went down here, turned left, there's the car park just there where we parked, and the signs for the waterfall, and then we went down here, guys, down through this pathway here just in front of us, and then the waterfalls just round this headland in their valley. And now let me see, I'm not too sure, guys, which way is the best way to hike. I think, changing my mind again, I think go to the waterfall and see if you can see a path going round the valley. Well, I certainly enjoyed this little visit. Definitely looking forward to coming back in a few weeks' time, see if we can see the waterfall running. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.